up first. Jim was here number one.
Let's pin that on yourself so we can hear you.
This is my birdhouse. I always wanted to build either a bucket or a barrel or something, and I figured this was a good opportunity. I had some scrap wood, just main section is cedar, and then I had some 2x12s, and that's where the ends are. The perch, I chopped down a walnut tree a few years ago, and I had some small pieces I had left over from making some boxes, and I turned them on my lathe. The birdhouse is cut in half, like there's a divider in the middle. I made it for sparrows and wrens. My wife and I was
There, now each one's on a separate channel. We can separate later if we need to.
We have a picture and we go, anyways. So, the hardest part was finding the rope. You can find this thin stuff, but the only reason it's there is because I thought that's what I had to make this swing. But, the hole is inch and a third, that's what it said is good for sparrows. I made the stand because the first time I painted this section, my dog knocked it off the table and broke the tree. So, it's been repaired already. All I did, it's only the very things I haven't, inside, it's not painted at all. I didn't think it was a good idea to have the birds around there. I have clips on the bottom, the ends pop off, so all you have to do is undo the thing, so you can clean it out in the spring or in the fall after the birds have been in. Other than that, that's a piece of 2x4. I used to live 1-ton cylinders, and that we had a sling that was like this, and it doesn't tilt back and forth like if I had it, just hung it up there. So that's
Questions?
Question. So did you bevel the stabs to connect them?
yes, I did.
Did you calculate a bevel angle?
I did, and then I had to add more because there's only 360 degrees.
Yeah.
It's a circle, but this one has a few more. 360 degrees. But anyhow, it was fun to do.
Okay, thanks, Jim. Number